thing does cast really well. All right, distance test. We're gonna see if we can bomb this out. This new 5-weight, this prototype. I guess it's about 90 feet. Look at that. Piece of cake. Love this rod, great casting rod, super happy with it. And earlier too, I was doing a little bit of accuracy casting. Now I know accuracy has something to do with the caster, but it also has a lot to do with the rod. If you don't have a rod you can control, you're not gonna be able to tuck it into a bank or split lily pads. So super happy with the power, finesse, and just the overall feel of this so far. I mean, very happy with it, feels great. And it's got good fish karma, right? Let's just hope it's not the first cast. First fish curse.